Hello everyone and welcome to the course of Database Management System. In this session, I am going to explain about various applications of databases. Databases are essential in managing enterprise-wide data for decision making and operational efficiency, which help the store and retrieve employee records such as salaries, positions, and attendance, and also manage the customer relationship management data to improve customer interactions and also facilitate inventory and supply chain management and analyze the business performance through reports and dashboards and ensures data security and integrity for compliance purposes. And also it manages all the employees' salary, payroll, taxes, all HR relevant activities. The next application, the databases which are going to use in manufacturing. In manufacturing, database play a critical role in streamlining processes of improving productivity. I'm repeating. In manufacturing, databases play a critical role in streamlining processes and improving productivity. Some of key applications include managing production schedules, taking inventory, raw materials and finished goods in real time, which also maintain the inventory and orders. And the next application is banking and finance. Databases are indispensable in the banking and finance sector for managing vast amount of sensitive data. Some of the common applications include maintaining the customer accounts, transactions and balances, supporting online and mobile banking services, managing credit card information, loans and mortgages, detecting and preventing fraud, and generating financial reports and complying with regulatory requirements. And the next application is universities and educational institutions. In the education sector, databases are used to efficiently manage academic and administrative tasks. Some of the key applications include maintaining student records such as enrollment, grades and attendance, managing course catalog, class schedules and faculty assignments, handling admissions process including application tracking, facilitating library management system, and analyzing the data for accreditation and industrial performance reporting and many more. And the next application is airlines. The databases are critical to the smooth functioning of airline operations and customer services. Some of the key applications include flight scheduling and management, ticketing and reservations, customer relationship management, baggage tracking, maintenance and safety records, and so on. And the next application is telecommunications. The databases are at the core of telecommunication networks, ensuring uninterrupted communication and service delivery. Some of the key applications include customer data management, call detail records, network performance monitoring, billing and payments, fraud detections, and many more. And the next application is web-based services, which consists of online retailers, order tracking, customer recommendations, online advertisements, and so on. And the next topic is various flavors of databases. If you can observe here, we have MySQL database, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle database, PostgreSQL, SQLite. These are the various flavors of databases which are available, and also many more databases are available. MongoDB, Cassandra, many databases. Based on your requirement, you can use the respective database. And coming to the various popular MySQL editors which are available, out of that, MySQL Workbench, PHP SQL Pro, HDS SQL, and so on. So This is all about introduction to database systems, and in the next session we'll see some more practical examples on creation of the databases and other topics. Till then, happy learning. Thank you for watching this.